peel the bottom off, and you see all the bad fiberglass and the lamination. And what we're going to do is cut the core out of this side, relaminate this, and then relaminate the whole bottom with like 4 or 5 layers over the complete bottom. So it has all new fiberglass that we've repaired all the core damage, and the lamination you can see all along the core with blisters. So that's what we're going to do on this boat here. It's a pretty big project. The bottom was in rough shape, and now we're going to basically put a new structure on the bottom, which is about 4 or 5 layers of fiberglass, and then we're going to cut out the core on the water line going about 50 feet, and then we're going to do the epoxy primer and the Seahawk anti-fouling system on the boat, and prop speed on all the running gear. You can see right now the guys are taking out the bearings of AME, and we got the shafts here that we took out, and the couplers, and the props right there. We're going to size it up, props that we're taking out. So it's a pretty big project. We want to get it done here as best as we can. Another project from Foster's Yacht Service.